and students, how are you today? I hope you and me stay healthy, kids and parents. Now we will learn in the math subject. Okay, so students, you can prepare your math book and then open page. What page? Who knows? Yes, open page 113, 113 until 117 sampai halaman 117. Okay. Today is Tuesday, 2nd March 2020. Today is Tuesday, 2nd March 2021. Ya, oke, so new month, bulan yang baru ya, Maret. Okay, our topic still from chapter 11, numbers to 40, angka sampai 40 ya. But from lesson 6, tapi kali ini dari pembelajaran 6 ya, lesson 6. Simple subtraction. Everybody say simple subtraction, pengurangan sederhana. Last week we have studied about simple addition, penjumlahan sederhana, penjumlahan sederhana. But for today we will learn simple subtraction, pengurangan sederhana. Okay. Next. If you open your book, page 113, you can find this lesson ya. Lesson 6, simple subtraction. Yes, for number 1, this is the example ya, ini contoh. From number 1. Number 1, 27 minus 4 is equal to blank, blank, blank ya. There is question mark. Ada tanda tanyanya. Okay, there are different ways. Ada berbeda-beda jalan atau cara to get the answers ya, untuk mendapatkan jawaban. Jadi for number 1, for this lesson we can do for 2 ways. Kita akan melakukan atau mengerjakan dengan 2 cara ya. Okay, the first way is count backwards. Everybody say count backwards. What in bahasa count backwards, kids? Hitung mundur ya. We want to backwards from 27 until 4 times because minus 4 ya. Sampai 4 kali hitung mundurnya. Karena apa? Karena dikurang 4. 27 dikurang 4. Artinya kita mau hitung mundur 27 4 kali. Dalam 4 kali kita hitung mundurnya. Oke, start from 27. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. So the last number is 23. So the answer is 23, kids. Okay, the second way, use a place value chart ya, grafik atau kolom nilai tempat. Ya, same like simple addition. We have to subtract the ones first ya. We have to subtract the ones first. Kita harus kurangkan yang satuan dulu, yang sebelah kanan ya. If 27, the ones is 7 ya. Kalau dalam angka 27 yang menjadi satuan adalah 7. Minus 4. If just one number, it means that is ones ya. Kalau ada hanya satu angka, itu artinya dia hanya satuan, tidak ada puluhannya. So, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay, ya. And then subtract the tens. Subtract the tens ya, kurangkan puluhannya. Tens, 27, it means the 10 is 2. So, for number 4, there is no tens. Yang kalau angka 4 tidak ada puluhannya. So, 2 minus 0, 2 minus no number is 2. 2 kurang 0, 2 kurang tidak ada sama dengan 2. Okay, so take tens and then take ones. tens is number 2 and then ones is number 3. So 23. 27 minus 4 is equal to 23 ya. Same answer. Sama ya jawabannya from the first way and then the second way the answer is same. Jawabannya adalah sama ya. Anak-anak terserah mau melakukan dengan cara yang mana yang paling mudah. Oke? Just do it and then for number 4. Yeah, for number 4, this is the example. Because for number 2 and 3, you just do by yourself. Yeah, you have to do by yourself. Miss Ray just give example for number 1 and number 4. Okay, number 4. Number 4, 38 minus 20. 38 minus 20. Use a place value chart. Kita disuruh untuk menggunakan grafik penilai tempat ya. Don't forget you have to subtract the ones first. The ones from 38 is 8. From 20 is 0. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Then subtract the tens. Kurangkan puluhannya. The tens from 38 is 3, from 20 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Take tens and then take ones. Take tens first, okay. 1 and then ones is number 8. So the answer is 18. Ambil dari sini puluhannya dan ambil dari satuannya. Kalau digabungkan mereka menjadi 18. Okay, now our assignment, do assignment from page 114 until 117, just do on your textbook. No need to move it on your exercise book or on your notebook. Just do on your textbook directly. Number 2, 3, and 5, just 3 numbers, kids. Then you have to send the photo of your assignment to Miss Ray by WhatsApp. Okay, for number 2. 36 minus 3. Kids, this one for number 2 you have to do by 2 ways. Jadi untuk nomor 2 ini anak-anak Miss harus kerjakan dengan 2 cara. From count backwards, okay, dengan cara hitung mundur, or use a place value chart. Ya, jadi dengan menggunakan grafik atau kolom nilai tempat ini harus dua-duanya dilakukan. You can do, okay, and then see from number 1. This is same with number 1, kids. Ini sama ya, the ways jalannya seperti nomor 1. Count backwards and then use a place value chart. Okay, I believe you can do it. And then number 3, same, sama ya, same with number 2. You have to do with 2 ways, dengan 2 cara. Count backwards and then use a place value chart. But in number 5, you just do by 1 way, dengan 1 jalan. Nomor 5 ya, you have to do by, subtract the tens and then subtract the ones. It means you have to do by subtract with a place value chart. Okay, thank you kids. I believe you can do it. If any questions, just ask Miss Ray. Miss Ray will teach you again. And then I believe you can do it, students.